Hello, how to solve for s in this equation: square root of 3 to the power of x and square root of 9 to the power of x and square root of 81 to the power of x is equal to 81. Here we are going to make use of two different methods. Let's consider the first method called method 1, solution. Then we have method 1. Now take note of this, that if you have square root of a, this is equal to a to the power of 1 over 2, and if you have square root of u, this is equal to u to the power of 1 over 2. Then this can be written as square root of 3 to the power of x, square root of 9 to the power of s, square root of 81 to the power of s is equal to 81. Then we have the first one is square root of 3 to the power of s multiplied by, this is square root of 9 to the power of s multiplied by, this is square root of 81 to the power of s. We have the first square root, then second square root, and the third square root of 81 to the power of s is equal to 81. Now, this can be written as 3 to the power of s to the power of 1 over 2 multiplied by, this is 9 to the power of s to the power of the first square root is 1 over 2 to the power of the second square root is 1 over 2 multiplied by, this is 81 to the power of s to the power of the first square root is 1 over 2 to the power of the second square root is 1 over 2 to the power of the third square root is 1 over 2 is equal to 81. Then take note of this, that if you have a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of mn. So this can be written as 3 to the power of s over 2 multiplied by, this is 9 to the power of s over 2 times 2, that is 4, multiplied by 81 to the power of s over 2 times 2, 4 times 2, that is 8, is equal to 81. Then this can be written as 3 to the power of s over 2 multiplied by, this is 3 square to the power of s over 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of 4 to the power of s over 8, this is s over 4, not over 2, is equal to 81. Then 2 here 1, 2 here 2, 4 here 1, 4 here 2. You have 3 to the power of s over 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of s over 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of s over 2 is equal to, here, this is 81, can be written as 3 to the power of 4. Now take note of this, that if you have a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. Then this can be written as 3 to the power of s over 2 plus s over 2 plus s over 2 is equal to 3 to the power of 4. LCM here is 2. You have 3 to the power of the LCM is 2. Then 2 into 1 times s, this is s, plus 2 into 1 times s, this is s, plus 2 into 1 times s, this is s, is equal to 3 to the power of 4. Then this is 3 to the power of 3x over 2 is equal to 3 to the power of 4. The base are equal, we consider the exponent. Then 3s over 2 is equal to 4. If you cross multiply, you have 3s is equal to 8. Now let's divide both sides by 3, divided by 3. Therefore, s is equal to 8 over 3. And this is the final answer. So let's consider the second method and see if you are going to get the same answer. Now let's consider the second method. Then here we have square root of 3 to the power of s, square root of 9 to the power of s, square root of 81 to the power of s is equal to 81. Solution. We can square both sides of this equation. We have square root of 3 to the power of s, square root of 9 to the power of s, square root of 81 to the power of s, all square is equal to 81 square. This, we cancel this. Here is 3 to the power of s multiplied by square root of 9 to the power of s, square root of 81 to the power of s is equal to 81 square. Now let's square both sides of this equation again. We have 3 to the power of s multiplied by square root of 9 to the power of s, square root of 81 to the power of s, all square is equal to 81 square square. This we cancel this. Here we have 3 to the power of 2x multiplied by 9 to the power of s multiplied by the square root of 81 to the power of s is equal to 81 to the power of 4. Let's square both sides of this equation again. We have 3 to the power of 2x multiplied by 9 to the power of s multiplied by square root of 81 to the power of s, all square is equal to 81 to the power of 4 square. Then this is 3 to the power of 4s multiplied by 9 to the power of 2s multiplied by this, we cancel this. We have 81 to the power of s is equal to 81 to the power of 4 times 2, that is 8. Then this can be written as we have 3 to the power of 4s multiplied by this can be written as 3 squared to the power of 2s multiplied by 3 to the power of 4 to the power of s is equal to, this is 3 to the power of 4 to the power of 8. Then this is 3 to the power of 4s multiplied by 3 to the power of 2 times 2s, that is 4s, multiplied by 3 to the power of 4 times s, that is 4s, is equal to 3 to the power of 4 times 8, that is 32. We have the same base 3. So we consider the exponent. And if you have a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So this is 3 to the power of 4s plus 4s plus 4s is equal to 3 to the power of 32. So here is 4x plus 4x, that is 8x plus 4x, 12x. So we have 12x is equal to 32. Now let's divide both sides by 12. Divided by 12. This will cancel this. 4 here, 3. Then 4 here, 8. Therefore, s is equal to 8 over 3. And this is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.